Hi, we're the Girls from Cook's Cuisine. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
I'm Kelly.
And we're finishing up our Greek island salads with an orzo-bean salad. And again, fresh ingredients, that's what we love to do. Some extra virgin olive oil and some Greek orzo pasta. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to get our zucchini ready. I'm going to grill this up. So what I've done is I've sliced this in lengthwise, and we're going to add drizzle some olive oil on it. And then we're going to add a little bit of sea salt and black pepper. And black pepper, freshly ground, of course.
That always tastes better that way.
And a little bit of sea salt. Okay, and I'm going to start grilling this over a nice hot grill.
You can also do it outside.
Yeah, you can.
If you like to do your grilling outside and it's seasonal. And,
yeah.
Yeah.
Getting a little cold, so we're going to do it inside.
Yeah.
And I'm going to place it on my grill.
So while Joanne does that, Jackie, how about you take care of your ladolemono?
I'm going to make a dressing. So we have olive oil and fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then we have some sea salt and some freshly ground pepper. And you're just going to whisk that together until it looks creamy.
Really simple to make.
Yeah, the thing that takes the longest, I think, is grilling these vegetables.
It does, but that's only like a couple of minutes per side.
Yeah, we just want to get these tender. They don't have to be, you know, charred or anything like that.
We don't want them mushy. We want them just for tender. Okay, so I'm going to add, we're using today some nice northern beans. And to this, we're going to add our orzo. And when you make your orzo, you drain it and then put it in some nice cold water. It'll stop the cooking process, and it's also going to keep it from sticking together. Because like pasta, it's starchy and it will stick together. So we'll mix up our orzo with this. I'm going to add in some freshly chopped basil. And we have this ready to go as soon as the zucchini is made.
And our zucchini is nice and grilled, and you can see I've chopped some up already over here.
You chop it up into cubes.
Yeah, and you don't want it to be too mushy. So you can see there's a little bit of crunch left in this. And that's exactly how we want it.
Yeah. So that zucchini is going to be added to this here, to our orzo and our beans and our fresh basil. You want me to help you with that? You got it? Okay, that's it. So now let's get that all mixed up. And the olive oil from the zucchini is also going to help coat the orzo. And then the final thing we're going to do with this is we're going to add our ladolemono dressing. So Jackie, how about you pour that on top? It's going to soak that all up, and it's going to get really, really flavorful.
Oh, it's so good.
And when you mix this up, you want to taste it. You might want to salt and pepper it a little bit more according to how you like it.
And this will just keep soaking up this ladolemono too.
Well, oh my gosh, it looks really, really beautiful. And we have one final thing we're going to add to this, but as soon as Jackie's done with the dressing. So Jackie is dairy intolerant, so she can't have cheese. We're going to take out a little bit for Jackie so she can enjoy it. Jackie, do you want to spoon out how much you want of this? Go ahead.
It looks so good.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, and the final thing we're going to add to this, we have some beautiful kasseri cheese, Greek kasseri cheese that we've diced. So we're going to toss this in here. And if you don't like cheese, you can leave it out and do like Jackie does.
That looks beautiful.
And here we have our wonderful Orzo
Bean salad.
Kali Alexi.